La da da. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. Right now, I will begin to damp my client's hair. Make sure I distribute the water throughout the whole hair using my comb to make sure the water gets in between the strands. Now I'm measuring the hair from the root to the end of the tips and combing it out, taking off about half of the length of what he has now. Started my first guideline. And I'm using that first guideline, taking it all the way from the front to the back of the head. As you can see with the scissors, one side was uneven, so I'm just getting it evened out straight across. Now I'm checking my work, going from side to side, cross-checking from corner to corner, make sure the whole top of the head is even, not missing one spot. And of course, it's not going to be perfect, but I'll go over it with the clipper over comb towards the end of the haircut. Blow drying the hair, making sure that it's fully dry. When I debulk the hair on the sides, the hairs will grip easily on the blade. Using my number 5 guard, clipper lever closed, getting rid of the bulk of the side of the head. I'm using my wall detail trimmers and starting my first initial skin guideline, doing that medium, drop, low fade, removing all the hairs underneath the guideline so that I can go over it with my balders to get that nice skin bald fade. Follow the same steps on the other side of the head. Try not to apply too much pressure on the skin so it does not irritate it. Now I'm using my balders, pushing the ears down with my finger, making sure that I do not cut the ear. The shavers can cut the skin on the ears because it's so sensitive, so make sure you fold the ears down when going over it with the balder. Follow the same steps on the other side. Next, clipper, lever open, I will begin ½ inch increment and going around the side of the head. Next, on guard, clipper, lever open, another ½ inch increment. We will be getting rid of the bottom line. Clipper lever closed, doing ½ inch increments. ½ inch increments. Open the lever, ½ inch increments. Open, another ½ inch increment. Open the guard, fully open. Play with the lever, clipper, open and close, detail work. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper lever open. As you begin to work on the fade, you will close the lever halfway down. Use your brush to get rid of loose hairs. Play with the lever, open, close, till you get that perfect fade. Blah da da. Next, 1.5 guard, clipper lever open. Connecting the fade together from the skin to the top of the sides of the head. Close the lever halfway down. Play with the lever, open and close. Blah da da. Next, this is a clipper over comb technique. I will be using my flat top comb, making sure I'm sculpting the head, making sure everything is all nice and evened out. But you gotta make sure that the hair is nice and dry. That's why I use the blow dryer. Next, I will use my detail trimmer so I can start lighting up that C-cup, baby. Blah da da. Use the corners of the blade when going over the arch. Do the same steps to the other side of the head. Next, I will use my razor, giving that finished touch up and make it look nice and sharp. Make sure you pull the skin of the client's face so that you do not cut them. Next, I will be applying some hair gel. Blah da da, there it is, guys. There's that natural haircut, no enhancements. Applied some hair gel, nothing crazy, simple but clean. Blah da da, what you guys think? Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a specific haircut you guys want to watch. Tap in, show some love, and I will shoot a video for y'all. Appreciate y'all.